All right, soccer moms and housewives and family people. Today I've got a Chrysler Town and Country, and it does have some power to it. Put the key in. You can see it comes on, but it just doesn't want to start because something's going on. The battery's new, so that leads me to think maybe it's an alternator issue. Nonetheless, you're stuck in an intersection, you're stuck at the kids' soccer game, you're stuck somewhere, and this thing will not go into neutral, and people are honking behind you and everything else, and you need to get it figured out. Well, this Chrysler Town and Country here has the shifter in the dash, and it also has this little bad boy here, which you'll see in a lot of automatic cars. And all you got to do is pop this tab out, which is not easy with one hand and a large screwdriver, but you pop that tab out, jam something down in there, and then you'll be able to shift it into neutral after that. And that's how you get your Chrysler Town and Country into neutral. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. All right, the handy dandy multi-tool, which is the appropriate size. Pop that out, take that away, jam that down in, and voila, there we go. That's how it's done. Just figured I'd show you proper.